Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have started to make a lecture videos about the programming or popular programming language known as Java. So till now, in previous videos, I have making videos about the SQL as well as Bootstrap 4. So from now onwards, I have also started to begin the lecture videos about the Java programming language. So let's get started. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so that you will get the latest updates about my channel. So first thing we need to know about Java is what is Java. So actually what is Java? Java is a popular object-oriented programming language and a computing platform. So why it is popular? It has so many features. I will talk to you about that after these things. So first thing, it is a object-oriented programming. So what it means? Object-oriented. It means that it is fully based on objects. Java is completely based on particular objects that available for a particular class, and each program consists of classes for that particular action we needed to perform. So Java is fully object-oriented, and Java is class-based programming. So this is a basic idea about the Java programming language, and we must know about these kind of things when we try to study about Java. And another thing is Java is fast, reliable, and secure. So that is common fact, and it should be a fast. That's why it is tend to be a popular one. So next thing is we need to know about is who developed Java. So when we try to study something about any technology, we need to know the history of that language or technology also. So Java's technology is so simple as we can see here. It was developed by Sun Microsystems in the early 1990s, and it has been designed by the James Gosling and its teams and its colleagues. So they started to design this programming language in 1990s, early 1990s, and then they make that programming language in Sun Microsystems, and the Sun Microsystems has been now owned by Oracle Private Limited, and they appeared the programming language known as Java in the market in the date May 23 in the year 1995. So this is how they began their career with the Java programming language in the market. So these are the features of Java. Java is simple, robust, portable, platform independent, one of the main feature, secure, and can also develop complete applications using Java. So Java is simple, and now you can think that I am talking about Java many features and architectures. Trust me, I will make you clear about this Java programming and make you write the Java programs in a minute or something like that, and make it so simple after this course of Java what I am taking now. So Java is simple, Java is robust. What it mean by robust? Robust means Java itself has some features like uh, it has garbage collection by its own. In case of C++, for when object is being used, we need to provide a destructor. In case of Java, there is no need of destructor and all. After the use of object, or even if the scope of the object is over after the program, it will be automatically destroyed by the compiler and will be moved into the garbage collector which is provided by the Java virtual machine. So these are the cases of Java, and we will talk about these kind of things in later videos. So next feature is it is portable. Portable means this program can be portable. It means that one system, if we write the code in one system and run it in one system, and we can also run that same particular code in another system, and we can portable. That means that a code can be portable in any system, from one system to another system. It can be portable from any systems. That it means very portable. So next, platform independent. So this is one of the crucial factor that makes the Java most popular. In many cases, in many programming languages, we know that when you write a program and tries to compile in that system, it might work. But whereas in case of another system, when we try to run this particular code in that system, it will not work. 90% it will not work. Maybe it might work in case of some assembly language, because we know that programming language is nowadays it has been turned to high level programming language. So what it means, high level programming language, it means that we are nearly uh, what we can say, we are nearly communicating with the computer. So computer, and we have a communication so that we can understand anything. So we are almost there. So we think that we are communicating directly. So inside the computer, the actual process taking is as binary things. Binary means zeros and ones. So computer knows only the language of zeros and ones. So how we can communicate with that? We are writing it in the English language, right? And this computer knows only about the zeros and ones. So here comes the role of assembly language or assembler. So that is how the assembly language works. In either programming languages, it is like that. It might not work in another system. So when the Java games, this is not a matter about the other systems. If you write a code in one system and we try to run that same code in the another system, it will work. So that is one of the crucial feature of the Java. And Java is secure. And nowadays, even though the different languages, Python, Android languages has comes, still we are using a backend as Java in many applications, since it is secure. Its security is top level. So we can say it is one of the great feature of Java. Its security is top level. So another thing is that Java is a language through which we can develop a complete application or complete package of requirement that are asked by the clients or anything in the companies or any industries. So that is one of the main feature, and can be shared across the different servers and APIs as well. So these are the basic features of Java, and these are the most crucial features that has been making this programming language a popular one. So next thing when we talk about Java is the basic working of Java. Basic working, right? So we can see the steps here: writing the Java code or source code, compiling the code, run the code, and if source code has no error, the expected output will be produced by the system. So these are the basic steps that are followed by the every programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, every language. So what is different from the here? What is different in Java? So let's see what is the difference. This is a basic architecture of Java. When you search Google, we can see a different kind of architecture with a high level. So for the time being, in order to understand the basic of Java, I am just showing you the architecture of my idea. Not only my idea, this is the basic idea. In any images, you can see these are the first thing we need to know about the Java. From here, we can directly connect to the advanced versions of Java like collections, uh, for loops and exit loops controls. We can move to that way. From this step only we can move to that step. So this is a basic idea we need to know about the Java. So in this figure we can see it is so simple to understand. What I have written in the previous step is what it has been seen now. You can see that Java source code with the .java file. So when we try to write the program in Java, we need to save that program with the .java file. Then only the system knows, or compiler knows, that the file is a .java. So the Java compiler can compile that file. So for that sake, we need to save the Java code with the .java extension. So when we written the code first, I have shown you the how we need to compile the code. So compiling the code means, as I told earlier, the computer knows only the assembly language or programming language, which is in binary zeros and ones. So in order to understand that, we need to, our system will compile the programming language that we have written using Java code which has a particular syntax, and that we will discuss in further videos. And if the syntax is proper and has no error, and if the syntax is correct, because the compiler compiles the source code and check whether the program has any error, and if it has no error, it will compile the entire source code and then make that source code into a bytecode, which will be stored as a .class file in that folder that we are working with. And I will show you these kind of things when we started developing these programs in the IDE or something like command prompts and like that. So this is the basic idea about the source code and bytecode. And after bytecode, it has been converted. Source code has been converted to bytecode. We can use this class file in any operating systems. That is why it has been known as a platform independent programming language. Java is a platform independent. So it means that we can use that any code written in any system, and we can run that particular code in another system with this .class file. If we have .class file run in another system, we can also get the same output what we have expected. So for that we need a Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment, also known as JRE. So this JRE is used just to run the code that is developed using a Java development kit. Java development kit, simply known as JDK. So these two things are must or important in order to develop a Java code in our system. So using these things, basic Java code can be worked in any kind of system that we are using with any operating system. It doesn't matter which operating system or which system are using. We can run a particular code that we have used in another system can be used in our system also. So we will talk about the JDK JRE installations in the next video, and how to install the IDEs required, and how to check whether the compilers and runtime environments are being installed in next video. And from next week onwards, I will show you how to, or I will start with the programming session in Java. So I hope you understand the basic concepts of Java, or basic things we need to know about the Java before getting into the programming part. And it is a must thing we need to know about such things about Java, so that it will be easier in future in order to study complicated programming or developing applications based on Java. So one more thing I need to mention is that we cannot simply understand the Java by understanding the theory part. We also need to just practice about this sessions, practice coding when I started about the coding sessions in next week. And we need to have an eye on platforms like HackerRank, HackerAnt, HackerEarth, Pram, etc. There are many platforms that are available in internet in order to improve our coding skills. So I will give the website for that particular platforms in the description below. So I hope you understand the concept of basic Java, and if you have any clarification regarding these concepts, please comment it in the comment box. And I hope you understand, and have a nice day, and see you until next video. Thank you.